Today we're just going to do a simple recipe for a lemon drizzle cake, but very tasty. What we're going to start off is to do the batter. So we just need to use our butter, some caster sugar, and we're going to beat this all together. It's all equal parts of sugar, flour, and the butter. So we're going to give this a mix till we get it all combined. So we're now going to add our 4 eggs, one at a time. And we can cut there. I thought I'd seen something. It's our last egg going in. Give that a good mix. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to zest 1 lemon. Right, so we're going to hold this lemon back and we can use the lemon for the lemon drizzle at the end. So we're just going to sieve in the flour and we're just going to fold that in. Okay, so that's your batter done. So we just want to transfer this now into a little loaf tin. You've got a friend in me. So what we do, level that out now. We're going to stick it in the oven for 160. I'm going to leave it in there for 45 to 50 minutes. We're just going to make some drizzle for the lemon drizzle cake. So we're going to use the juice of these 2 lemons. Caster sugar here. And that's the drizzle that we're going to pour over the cake when it's finished. So here's our lemon cake. So what I want to do is just quickly, with a kebab skewer here, I'm just going to check that it's cooked in the middle. Usually, if it isn't cooked in the middle, you'll get the mixture coming up on the bamboo stick. I'm happy with that. We're going to quickly just stab the cake all the way over. And this is just to create some little passage holes for our sugar and lemon mix. And there we go, that's our lemon drizzle cake. I'm going to leave that for half an hour before we get stuck into it. All that zesty lemon juice is all soaked up into it, so then the next thing is to try it. Look at how moist that is in the middle, and there's the lemon drizzle cake.